He's got armor, he's got attitude, and he's ready to leap off the page, one line at a time. Alright, epic scribble peeps, we're about to summon the fierce, the mighty Viking warrior. Let's start with few simple shapes, for the helmet and the body. But hold on, he can't see yet. Let's carve out an opening, so he can spot all those sneaky dragons lurking around. Then 2 mighty horns coming up. He's looking fierce already. Now for the hands, because every warrior needs hands to hold something awesome. But what's it going to be? Let's draw him holding a huge volge. That's a fancy name for a really big axe, by the way. Think he could chop a sandwich in one swing? Then, it is time to scribble those legs down. Warriors need to move around, right? Maybe he's about to charge into battle, or maybe he's just heading out for pizza. Wait, they didn't have pizza back then? Maybe it's time for him to try some. The sketch is looking tough, but let's make this warrior even stronger, with some bold, fearless lines. Now with our markers, let's make him stand tall. We'll start with the hands. He'll be ready for all. That mighty volge, so sharp and so fierce, with just a few lines, it's ready to pierce. With its wide blade and a sturdy hold, it keeps big dragons back, scared and cold. Now, draw that torso, sturdy and tough, with lines so sharp, they're more than enough. Down to the legs, where he stands, so proud and tall, and for a challenge, our hero is never small. Let's draw a helmet, sleek and round, a brave knight's cap, where courage is found. Finally, the helmet with horns that soar, our Viking warrior, is prepared to roar. With these bold lines, he's brave and true, a fearless fighter, all thanks to you. Look how amazing he is, with some colors added. And guess what? There are more free epic videos waiting for you at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.